Hello student, today we are going to know the reaction between metal carbonate with acid and metal bicarbonate means metal hydrogen carbonate with acid. So to understand the reaction between metal carbonate with acid and metal bicarbonate with acid, let's perform an activity. To perform this activity, you have to manage two test tube and label both the test tube as A and B. In test tube A, you keep some sodium carbonate about 0.5 gram, and in another test tube B you keep sodium hydrogen carbonate, same amount. Now you add about 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to both the test tube. After that you also observe that the gas whatever produce this gas, if you pass through lime water, then what will happen? We will observe that in test tube A contains sodium carbonate, and after adding hydrochloric acid, the reaction will take place and to form sodium chloride and water, and the gas liberated here carbon dioxide. Remember, carbon dioxide gas produced in this reaction. In test tube B, since we have kept sodium hydrogen carbonate, and after adding HCl, the reaction will take place and to form sodium chloride along with water and carbon dioxide. So you can see in both the test tube the gas liberated here carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas, if you pass through lime water, means calcium hydroxide, as you see the reaction number 3. On passing carbon dioxide through lime water means calcium hydroxide or slag lime, then reaction will take place and to form calcium carbonate along with water. This reaction also we have discussed in our chapter 1. This is very important reaction that carbon dioxide, if you pass through lime water, then calcium carbonate is a white precipitation along with water will produce. So we have come to know that if you pass carbon dioxide through lime water, then a white precipitation of calcium carbonate along with water produce. The reaction can write in the following ways. Calcium carbonate, again if you react with water and carbon dioxide, then form calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble in water. So student, you can see after passing lime water and carbon dioxide, means after reacting carbon dioxide and lime water, we have come to know that calcium carbonate a white precipitation form along with water. Now this calcium carbonate, if you add with water and react with carbon dioxide by taking surrounding, then again a soluble substance will form, and that is calcium hydrogen carbonate. Limestone, chalk and marble are different forms of calcium carbonate. Means limestone, chalk and marble all are calcium carbonate, means CaCO3, but they are in different forms. All metal carbonate and hydrogen carbonate means metal bicarbonate react with acid, and always to give a salt. Here we have seen sodium chloride form in both the reaction along with water and carbon dioxide. So remember, carbon dioxide will form in the reaction between metal carbonate and acid and metal bicarbonate with acid. So this reaction we can summarize this way: metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate both react with acid to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Now let's discuss few question answer which we had discussed already in our first video in chapter 2. The first question is here. If you have been provided with three test tubes, one of them contained distilled water and the other contain acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each of the test tube? So this question is very easy, student. You know that red litmus paper turn blue in basic solution and blue litmus paper turn red in acid solution. But you have only red litmus paper. So if the color of the red litmus does not change, then we can say it is acid because it is already red color. If the color of the red litmus changes to blue, then it is base. And if there is slight changes in the color of red litmus, such as purple, then it is distilled water. Or we can say if not change. Second question, why should card sour substance not be kept in brass and copper vessel? Answer is very easy. You know, card contain acid and copper is a metal. We know that acid and metal react. And other source substances always contain acid. Therefore, when they are kept in brass or copper vessels, the metal react with the acid, liberate hydrogen gas, we know, and harmful product, thereby spoiling the food.